We got to know the interior lab through our research on Qanvast, and we met 4 other IDs, but overall the interior lab, Yen, our ID, gave us the comfort level and the confidence that she'll be able to create a creative and contemporary concept of the house. The design expectations of the house is we are looking for a contemporary and modern kind of feel for the home, yet also creating a warm feeling where we can actually host our friends and relatives. We wanted a cozy home with a classy look yet functional at the same time, and we also wanted places where we can put hidden storage yet a spacious enough room for the kids to run around. From the conceptualization to the actual handover of the keys, it took about 3 months, but the actual renovation took actually about 2 months. The interior lab actually met our expectations in terms of design, workmanship, value for money, and creativity.
I think sometimes the difficulty comes when we as the owners, we have certain ideas and the idea also has certain ideas, but I think sometimes through the communication, it might not be exactly what the owners want. But I think what was good is that steps were taken to rectify, to make sure that both sides' expectations were met as closely as possible. For me, I think the favorite part would be the big space which consists of the living and dining room. I think this space, the dining room, allows our family to have regular meals together. The living room is a place where also allows family bonding, where we come together to watch movies, to play games. So I think it's a place that I enjoy and look forward coming home.
For me, my favorite part of the house will be the master bedroom. I like the entire concept of the feature wall together like a painting to my wardrobe, and overall it gives me a very boutique hotel kind of feel. And it also couples well with the toilet that is dark yet classy and very modern. We will recommend the interior lab to our friends because I think our ID Yen is very creative, very bold in her design, and the workmanship of the carpentry is also very good.